Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of films not or movies not loading on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem.